LSD is a strong psychoactive drug. It has an extremely high potency that shows that the drug is active even in small doses. LSD's full scientific name is lysergic acid diethylamide and is made from lysergic acid. LSD mainly acts on serotonin receptors within the brain. The drug does not typically cause addiction, but people build a tolerance to it very easily. Some of the effects are hallucinations, intensified sensations, altered perception of reality, and increased emotional sensitivity. These effects normally last around 8 to 12 hours. The major risks associated with the use of LSD are the possible acute paranoia and panic, but also a long-term change to the way someone perceives the world around them. LSD was first synthesized by Swiss chemist Albert Hofmann in 1938. He synthesized this while trying to find a new circulatory and respiratory stimulant. LSD was originally discovered by reacting lysergic acid with other chemicals in small amounts. Even though it was originally synthesized in 1938, its psychedelic effects were not discovered until Albert Hofmann accidentally absorbed a small amount of it in 1943. After this accidental exposure, he decided to ingest a larger amount and describes his experience as a not unpleasant intoxicated-like condition with extremely stimulated imagination and fantastical pictures. LSD was originally researched with the hope that it would be successful in treating schizophrenia and alcoholism. This research ended in the 1960s because of the widespread recreational use of the drug, causing its prohibition. These studies on therapy using LSD reopened within the last 10 to 20 years. A 2014 study concluded that LSD can help with anxiety linked to a life-threatening illness. Even though a few studies have been conducted recently, the drug still is not an approved medical treatment and cannot be used in standard clinical practices. Even though research shows that LSD does not have a high potential for addiction, it is still classified as a Schedule I drug by the U.S. government. Some examples of Schedule I drugs are marijuana, heroin, ecstasy, and mescaline. This means that the government describes it as having a high potential for abuse, and it currently has no medical use. If the studies that use LSD in therapeutic ways continue to have beneficial results, this classification might change. The government will most likely never allow this drug to be accepted in recreational terms again, but the resurgence of studies concerning LSD's therapeutic effects could show beneficial findings that would allow it to have a medical use.